ලංකාවේ සුන්දරම ස්ථාන සහ පිටරට ඇති සුන්දර තැන් බලන්න ආසද?
channel එක subscribe කරලා set වෙන්න.
When you can go from sun-kissed to mountain mist in just 4 hours, that's so Sri Lanka.
When dolphins and whales swim around you all year so you can visit them at any time, that's so Sri Lanka.
When a bicycle ride in the countryside is one long roadside party of board games, quirky friends, and the world's best cup of tea, that is so Sri Lanka.
When every sunset is an aphrodisiac and the nights command you to dance them away, that's so Sri Lanka.
When you can marvel at elephants in the morning,
And then meet some exotic birds, bears and leopards for lunch,
that's so Sri Lanka.
when you can get an eye full of paradise and a heart full of adrenaline in a single afternoon.
That's so Sri Lanka.
When people brave dizzying heights to taste a buzz of fresh, warm toddy.
That's so Sri Lanka.
When feasting together makes you family, so we take every opportunity to indulge. That's so Sri Lanka.
When time slows down and urges you to as well.
So you can soak up the full magic of cultural treasures at every turn.
Storied street food made with love for 3 millennia.
360 degrees of ocean.
365 days a year.
Hugging lush forests, misty meadows, secret waterfalls, and ordinary Wednesdays.
That is so Sri Lanka.
When you surrender to every minute,
Becoming your new favorite memory.
on Earth's favorite island.
So wild.
So pristine,
So scenic.
so thrilling,
So spiritual.
So bold.
so colorful. That's so Sri Lanka.
කොහොමද ඔයාලට? මම මේ කෝච්චියක් එනකල් බලන් ඉන්නේ. ඔයාලා මගේ සහෝදරයෝ.
සබස්ක්‍රයිබ් කරලා ෂෙයා කරන්න.